You're watching live coverage of the NASA SpaceX Crew-5 mission as they return to Earth. Dragon Endurance departed the International Space Station at 11:20 p.m. Pacific last night with NASA astronauts Nicole Mann and Josh Cassada, JAXA astronaut Koichi Wakata, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Anna Kikina. Currently, they're on their way to the targeted splashdown site off the coast of Tampa, Florida.
Now you can see an inside view of NASA's SpaceX Crew-5. Astronauts are sitting on their positions in a comfortable zone, watching their coordinates from inside and waiting for a splashing down. The Crew-5 mission lifted off at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, October 5, 2022, on a Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The crew undocked from the same port at 220 hours Saturday to begin the trip home, and they have spent 156 days aboard the same station to complete 2512 orbits around the Earth. Now the capsule has entered into the Earth's atmosphere, and you can see it as it's moving with the speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour or 25,000 miles per hour, or you may say with the speed of 32 times the speed of sound. Now you can see a view from ship's night vision camera. The capsule is ready to deploy the parachutes. Yes, here you can see. Now you can see a great view of NASA's SpaceX Crew-5 capsule deployed its all of these 4 healthy parachutes. 1,000 meters from splashing down, 500 meters, 100 meters, now you can see a great view and a splashdown. A great wishes for Crew-5 for coming back to the Earth. Now the recovery team is ready and moving towards the capsule. The small boat is moving towards the capsule. Now the crews are preparing for mooring lines. Now the mooring lines has been successfully attached and the capsule is ready to be towed. And finally they have reached to the vessel for coming back home. The vessel crew is ready to throw the heaving line, and here he has passed the heaving line. The capsule has been successfully attached to the harness. And here you can see that they have lifted up the capsule and are ready to go back home. It was a great journey, NASA SpaceX Crew 5, and we wishes you a great day ahead.